Between us and South African citizens who are xenophobia. South Africans are in their house, minding their business. They did not invade your country. You left your country, came to their own country, sell drugs to their children. You have turned their children to junkies. You've turned their fathers to junkies. You turned their mothers to junkies. Even white men, white South Africans are junkies today because of us. Because of the things, the crime that we are committing against them. And you dare open your mouth to tell me that South Africans hate us, they are xenophobic, they are evil? Are you seriously kidding me? You are the one that turned their girls into prostitutes, made them to become drug addicts, destroy their life. It is your pastors that are dealing in drugs. Who are the biggest supporters of Nigerian church in South Africa? It is South Africans. The same people that are supporting your ministry, you are selling drugs secretly to them, destroying their nation, destroying their environment, in the name of you being a pastor. And you open your mouth to say South Africans are evil. Are you seriously kidding me? You know, I want us to know something. What goes around surely comes around. To those Nigerian pastors here in South Africa that are collecting tithe from these drug dealers and internet fraudsters, you are part of the problem. And I want to promise you one thing, that the God we serve will bring this karma on your children. Your children will become junkies. Your wife will become junkies. And to that Jeff, that punk that came, that is using a fake account, that is calling me a weak man. Your children will become junkies. Your wives, your families, they will become drug addicts. The poison that you people are spreading all over the world, it will become the portion of your family members. I am not doing what I'm doing for South Africans to love me, to accept me. What I'm doing, I want South Africans to start loving all foreign nationals again. To start seeing me, or to start looking for someone like me in every foreign nationals that are living in South Africa. We have wronged these people, we have failed them, we have destroyed their lives. We have disrespected them, we have disrespected their laws. The governments have been good to us. After our government abandoned us, their government accepted us into the country, even forced South Africans not to stop us from using their facilities. I want you to know something. Now, I want the world to judge after everything that I've outlined, after everything that I've experienced my country people do in South Africa. Who are the xenophobia ones? Because South Africa is the country that has been wrongfully labeled a xenophobic nation. I would like to urge all South Africans to go to the mirror, look at the mirror, and tell yourself, I am not xenophobic. Because the world has programmed your mind to think that you are xenophobic. And most of you have started accepting that you are xenophobic. You are not xenophobic. You are just soldiers fighting for your nations. The way you fought during apartheid, you are still fighting till now. And keep fighting. Don't allow anyone to sell drugs in your country. Don't allow anyone to destroy the life of your children. Protect your country, protect your environment, protect your children. You are not xenophobic. You are soldiers. I respect you, I hail you. Viva South Africa! Viva Dudula! Viva Solani!